Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Noise Machine, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Noise Machine, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best noise machines from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hatch Baby Hatch Restore 3 Sunrise Alarm Clock Sound Machine Smart Light White Noise. Transform your sleep with the Hatch Baby Hatch Restore 3, the ultimate sunrise alarm clock, sound machine, and smart light all in one. Designed to help you create healthy sleep habits, Restore 3 helps you wind down, fall asleep faster, and wake up gently with a customizable sunrise alarm. With over 80+ science-backed sleep sounds, meditative content, and soothing light pairings, it's perfect for reducing screen time and promoting deep rest. The sleek, user-friendly design features one-tip controls for easy nighttime use, plus a separate bedside light button. Use the free companion app, like iOS and Android, to tailor routines or explore an ever-growing sleep content library. Whether you're tuning out distractions with white noise or easing into your day with natural light, Restore 3 creates the perfect sleep environment. Requires Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for setup and operation. Includes power adapter and instruction manual. Upgrade with Hatch for even more premium content. Number 2. Snooz Smart White Noise Sound Machine. Real fan inside for non-looping white noise. Drift into deeper sleep with the Snooz Smart White Noise Sound Machine, featuring a real fan inside for natural non-looping white noise. Scientifically designed to help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, Snooz creates a peaceful environment by masking disruptive sounds like snoring, barking, traffic, or noisy neighbors. With 10 volume settings and easy touchpad controls, you can personalize your sleep experience effortlessly. Use the companion app to schedule automatic on or off times, helping you build a consistent bedtime routine. Compact and travel-friendly, Snooz is perfect for every age. Babies, kids, adults, and even pets, whether at home or on the go. Ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or even office spaces needing privacy, Snooz transforms any room into a restless nights, and hello to soothing, uninterrupted sleep with Snooz. Available now, your best night's sleep starts here. Number 3. Kipcush White Noise Sound Machine with Nursery Lamp, Mood Lighting, 7-Color Night Light. Transform your sleep space with the Kipcush White Noise Sound Machine, designed to create the ultimate relaxation environment for all ages. Featuring advanced non-looping audio and dynamic sound generation technology, Kipkush delivers 30 high-fidelity soothing sounds, including white, pink, and brown noise, nature sounds, lullabies, and fan noises to block out distractions and enhance your sleep quality. With 32 volume settings, 4 customizable equalizer modes, pop, rock, jazz, classical, and a built-in headphone jack, you can tailor your audio experience to fit your mood. The intuitive touch-sensitive speaker mesh lets you control lighting and sound with ease, even in the dark. Choose from 7 calming ambient colors and a soft nightlight, perfect for nurseries, bedrooms, or meditation spaces. Whether you're trying to help your baby sleep or create a peaceful retreat for yourself, Kipkush has you covered. Discover the perfect blend of light, sound, and tranquility with the Kipkush White Noise Sound Machine, your personal escape into calm. Number 4. Call Me Wall Plug-in Noise Machine for office privacy and noise canceling white noise. Elevate your environment with the Call Me Wall Plug-in Noise Machine, expertly designed for office privacy, restful sleep, and daily relaxation. Enjoy crystal clear, non-looping sound with 20 soothing options including white, green, brown, and pink noise, fan sounds, rain, thunder, brooks, and gentle music box tunes. Whether you're working, sleeping, or simply unwinding, Call Me is your go-to noise blocker. With Italian-designed elegance, it offers a sleek plug-in design, no exposed wires for a safer, cleaner look, with an optional cord for flexibility. Adjustable volume and timer settings let you customize your experience, making it perfect for babies, adults, home offices, nurseries, or even bathrooms. A dual-color nightlight adds a calming glow, enhancing comfort in any space. Ideal as a travel companion or home essential, Calm Me helps maintain privacy and peace wherever you are. Experience premium quality and thoughtful design with Calm Me, your personal solution for sound, style, and serenity. Number 5. Sound Machine Easysleep White Noise Machine with 25 soothing sounds and night lights. Discover the ultimate sleep companion with the Easysleep White Noise Machine. Offering 25 soothing, non-looping sounds, including white noise, fans, nature sounds, lullabies, and more, this machine is designed to help everyone, from babies to adults, sleep better. With 4 adjustable nightlight levels, you can create the perfect ambiance for sleep, reading, or late-night feedings. Customize your sleep environment with 32 volume settings and set a timer for 60, 120, 180, or 240 minutes of continuous play. The compact design makes it perfect for home, office, or travel, fitting easily into your bag or suitcase. Plus, the memory function remembers your last settings for added convenience. Backed by an 18-month warranty and quality certifications, the Easysleep White Noise Machine ensures safety and reliability. Say goodbye to restless nights and welcome peaceful, uninterrupted sleep with the Easysleep White Noise Machine. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.